Hello everyone, my name is Vianney Topete, the TRIO Student Support Services and TRIO STEM Program Specialist. I want to show you how you can navigate to NetTutor using Canvas. NetTutor is an online free 24/7 tutoring services platform available to all Mission College students. You can access NetTutor through any of your Canvas shells. For this example, I'm going to choose Trio. On the left-hand side, you'll see different pages hyperlinked. Navigate to NetTutor, click on NetTutor. You'll be redirected to their platform. Here you see multiple subjects you can receive assistance in. Let's choose psychology. At the moment for this particular subject, there are no live tutors. However, I can drop off a question. Once they answer, I can see that response in this locker. I can also schedule an appointment. If I want to see their drop-in tutoring hours, I can do so by going to the top right-hand corner and clicking on drop-in tutoring hours. So it depends on the subject what times they are available. Let's go to the locker. If I have had any live tutoring sessions for this particular subject, they will be recorded and stored here for my reference. If I dropped off any questions, those responses will be accessible here through the question feedback section. Navigate to the home page if you need assistance in any other subjects. I chose history. It looks like there is a live tutor available right now. Again, I can see their drop-in tutoring hours for this particular subject here on the top right-hand corner. If you click on drop in, oh, I didn't even have to wait, which is great. Let me just quickly respond. Thank you. All set. Okay. So as you can see, it depends on the subject, but again, it's 24/7, meaning if someone is not available to meet with you live, you can drop a question and they will respond as soon as possible.